Introducing the 2019 Ford Escape. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, a power rear cargo door, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.